New tunnel. I agree. I'm gonna do that too. I don't want nothing touching my fucking hair. Yeah, Tatum just had to go over.
I'm just giving out Katy Perry. Am I the one that's gonna get fucking
Sacrificed? Yes. Nigga.
Does it end like immediately, bro?
Kinda. Who's going in the stink tunnel?
Flash the light back here. Remember that we saw the video of kids going through that up into the road.
Who's doing?
I don't know. I'm gonna take a fucking snap.
One thing I don't want, it smells like absolute ass in here.
Oi.
It's a fucking sewer tunnel.
Hold up.
Oh, my light isn't on.
Give me a second. Pitch black in here.
Who the fuck has a lighter?
running after us. I'm going.
Bitch, I got a knife. Oh.
It's kind of quiet. Yeah. Let's go with deeper.
Spread Katy Perry.
We can still go in there.
Yeah, that's kind of a you thing, Tatum. Turn it up.
That's not how I was thinking.
Is that where you go up from?
Is there a Nazi symbol right there?
Is that where you go up from?
Where's the thing? Where, oh. Fuck! That is not a Nazi thing.
I'm not here, bro. Someone starts running after us. Bro, if someone starts running after us, they're dead, but 4 of us.
And Katy Perry. Katy Perry's honestly the goat.
Bro, I'm probably staring at your ass right now. I should.
No. Going no.
Yeah, that's a you thing, Tatum. You're
Is that where
fucking
you
gay.
go from? Right up there?
Alright. This fucking retard's going to the actual tunnel.
Should I?
I don't know. Are you gonna lose my knife?
No, I'm not gonna fucking lose your knife.
Better not. Well, fuck it, let's go.
No, I'm not being turned on. I'm like,
Let's go.
what?
Yeah, I don't like this shit, bro.
I don't either. I'm going back.
I get caught. I get claustrophobic.
Fuck, that was deep. Here.
Oh yeah, so deep. Turn that shit
But
up.
next time, I can bring my brother's flashlight. It's like really bright.
Oh yeah.
You got it on recording, send it to me. I only got the part where he was playing that.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring my brother's flashlight. It's so much more brighter.
That was an active sewer tunnel, and it stank like shit.
Yo, someone sent me their video that they